Dear student, hope you are aware by the grace of Allah. I am fine also. However, students, our today's lesson is English first paper of class 10. So, take your textbook in your hand and open at page 152. Unit 12. Rods. What today's topic is rods. After we have studied the unit, we will be able to participate in conversation and debates. Exchange personal information. Narrate incident and events in a logical sequence. Present own ideas, give and ask for information. Write letters to newspapers. Lord's complaint and present information in a chart. Minors, আমাদের শিক্ষক, dear students, look at the pictures and the caption below. How do you feel looking at the photo? What do you think people take such risk to go home to celebrate Eid? আমরা কি অনুভব করতে পারছি? ছবিগুলোতে আমরা কি দেখছি? আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি জীবনের ঝুঁকি নিয়ে কিছু সংখ্যক লোক নারীর টানে ঈদ উদযাপন করার জন্য বাড়ি ফিরছে। Read the following text. Listen to me. Read the following text. Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. It means happiness. Everyone wants to share the happiness with near and dear ones. So most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board buses, trains or launches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, these cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws or friends. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people's desire to return to the roads. Do human beings have roads like the trees? The answer is yes, but unlike. The roads of the trees, they are invisible. They lie in our minds. It is these roads and when they bond between us and family members, in-laws, friends, neighbors, or even between us and the land where we are born and grew up. In that sense, our families, our lands of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, our surrounding are our roads. And wherever we stay, we feel the power of our roads. It's our roads that develop our identity. making us what we are. When we lose the bond, we become rootless human beings who do not have any roots are a non-entity. In other words, they do not have an identity. They don't know where they are from and or where they are heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Number C. Reads the text in the space bubbles. Make questions. They sit on the bubbles and then compare them in pairs. আমরা বাবলগুলো দেখব এবং এই বাবলগুলো থেকে প্রশ্ন তৈরি করব। Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. ঈদ হলো বাংলাদেশের মুসলমানদের সর্বপ্রথম ধর্মীয় উৎসব। Now make question. What is the main festival? Write in your, take your pen and paper in your hand and write question. What is the main religious festival? Main religious festival of the Muslims. Of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Vowels number 2. In this sense, our families, our lands of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions or surrounding are our roots. Question is, what are our roots? Our roots. Eid means happiness. Eid মানে খুশি. What is Eid? Number 4. Dear students, our today's lesson is finished for now. In future class, we discuss from the lesson 1 some vocabulary words. No more today.